What questions are normally asked in an interview if you apply for a digital marketing job on a ground level? A lot of aspirants ask the same question, and in today's video I am going to share with you some questions on the base level. I will not give the lengthy answers, but I will give you the hints so that you can do the R&D yourself. Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Sharma and I welcome you all to our channel Buddha's Learning. And today's video is going to be very crucial, and this video is for all the digital marketing aspirants who are looking for a bright future in digital marketing. Now, being an interviewer, I would like to clear one thing, that I believe in practical rather than the theory. For example, if someone comes for the interview for digital marketing position in my company W3 Developers and say that I am good in blogging and on-page SEO. So what I will do, I will give him a topic and tell him to write a blog on it, and for the SEO part like title, description, H1 tag, S2 tag, alt text, this I will judge that how he will use in his blog. So I will ask him to prove by practical. Now another example, if someone comes and says that I am good in video editing and I prefer Camtasia. So what I will do, I will open Camtasia tool in front of him and I will give any raw video shoot at green screen and will tell him to do the video editing with the use of Camtasia and make it presentable, because my sole motive is I want to check his practical knowledge, not the theoretical one. However, as per the demand of the aspirants, so let's follow the norms, that how a fresher comes for the interview and what questions a typical interviewer will ask. Now there are certain questions whose answer you should know before applying for a position in digital marketing field. In today's video we are covering the ground level or the base level questions, and in our next video we will target the experienced level questions if your candidature is for a position for at least 2 to 5 year experience. So let's start today's video. After the formal introduction, the basic question which you should be very crystal clear, and that question is, what is digital marketing? Its definition may vary from person to person, but your understanding and your logic, it should be clear. In simple words, digital marketing is an art to promote your products or the website by using various online methods like sharing on social media. Now, you need not to cram this definition as it is, rather understand the logic. Now, the next question comes, what are the types of digital marketing? Once again, I am not going into deep, I will just tell you the hints, because you have YouTube and various other sources from where you can search the answers in detail. So the types of digital marketing are SEO, SMO, SCM, SMM, content marketing, email marketing, and various others. And now the next question comes, what are the advantages of digital marketing? Why digital marketing is preferred over the traditional marketing? I will suggest do the detailed study about it yourself. And in a nutshell, we can track our prospects. We can find the impressions, clicks, CPI, CTR, and where we can run our ad. We can target our audience. We can do the budget estimate. This all can be calculated with the use of digital marketing, and this is the big advantage of digital marketing over the traditional methods. Although this answer is sufficient for the interviewer to judge that how deep you know about SEO, but still if you want to add on, you can. Now many of you will be thinking about the practical test. So the practical test that will be coming in the last. Before that, you will be judged on your fluency, your expressions, positivity, and the theoretical knowledge about digital marketing. So I will suggest that you should have a positive attitude. You should be very confident while answering to the questions, because if you fumble on the basic questions, then no interviewer will waste his time by sending you in the practical. Now the next question comes, what is SEO? What are the types of SEO? How to do on-page SEO? Is off-page SEO still there? What off-page SEO techniques are still in use? What is black hat SEO? What is white hat SEO? What is gray hat SEO? Which one is better? Now, the basis on your response to these questions, you will be measured. Now the next question comes, what is SERP? What is indexing? What is crawling? How you will research for keywords? With answers to these particular questions, now basis on the last question, you can impress the interviewer as well. Because if you can name some keyword research tools just like keywordtool.io, SEMrush, Moz, Ubersuggest, then you can definitely win the interviewer. But here I will say that be ready for the next question, which the interviewer might ask, that how do you use this particular keyword tool in your keyword research? Now here, if you answer I don't know, so that will be a boomerang. Now if you have gone for a post like PPC executive, then your questions can be targeted towards keyword research, keyword planner, the difference between impression and the clicks, what is CPI, what is CTR, what is Google Trends, and have you ever used Google Trends earlier? If yes, then where and how? What is remarketing? What is AMP? So these are very basic questions and you must know the answers of these questions. If you don't know, I suggest you that please search it either on YouTube or on various other medias. But if you don't know the answers of these questions and you go straight forward to any interview, then you will get only one response, that thank you for coming, we'll let you know. Now the interviewer will start going deeper because now he wants to check your grip on SEO. So here he comes with another question, and this question is my favorite as well. What are the methods to do on-page SEO? And can you name any 5? What is index SEO? Does it really matter that I finish the complete blog in a single paragraph? Why do we rename our images? What keyword density is permissible in a blog? Can I put a featured image with 2 MB size in any blog? If not, then why? What are backlinks? What are external links and internal links? Is backlinking necessary for blogging? Which off-page optimization techniques are still valid? Now one question which is very tricky, and many times this question is asked, that which is better, PPC or SEO? Now this totally depends on that how you express your ideas. Now based on your thought process, and also it depends on that which position you are applying for. Is it for SEO executive or PPC executive? So the answer for this question matters on this thing. Now the interviewer knows that you have applied for a fresher level position, but he wants to check your potential. Try to give as much answers as possible, but I suggest you no guessing. In our next video, we will cover those questions which are asked with an experienced candidate. With this, we are ending today's video, and if you want that I share the PDF of these questions along with the answers, I request you to please hit the like button, and if these likes cross 1000 mark, then I will share the PDF in the description box. So with this, I'm ending this video. Bye bye, take care, and wish you a bright career in digital marketing. Thank you.